Hi, and welcome to my home. Today we are going to convert this juice bottle into a planter. So this is I call upcycling craft project. This prevents a piece of plastic from going into the landfills for the time being until you throw it away, so it gives a little bit more use for that. It's also a craft project you can do with your children or just yourself. Lots of posts have been out on social media saying, I've run out of things to do with my kids. So here's another thing that you can do with your kids as a learning experience for them. So let's go ahead and get started. Move this out of the way. Okay. So you just have an ordinary bottle. This happens to be a rectangular shape. You can do it pretty much with any shape of bottle. First thing you need to do is take the label off. So slice it and then peel off any little extra pieces. You can go to the trouble if you'd like of washing off any residue of glue that might be on there. So you then have a clear bottle. Next thing we're going to do, about 2/3 of the way up from the bottom, we're going to make a slice. The reason I did 2/3 is that this bottle happens to have a little indent that goes up, and then when this gets inserted into it, gives that space for drainage. So you're gonna take, it works best if you find a natural line on the bottle. So we're going to slice this bottle just use a regular knife. Slice this bottle all the way around. Okay. So now we have two pieces. So the next thing that we're going to need to do to the bottle is we're going to need to put some drainage holes in the cap. So we just need to get our drill, and all you're going to do is put a few holes. Not too many, just 3 or 4 holes is fine. And then we have a drainage hole in the cap. So what happens, you have this top part and you have this bottom part, and they slip together. So when you water the plant, it can fall down through and not get all over. So the next step though in the process, after we've got our holes drilled, is you need to, in most cases, take and smooth this edge so it doesn't cut you or hurt the kids if you're giving it to kids to play with. You can use the scissors to even it out if it's crooked. And I use a lighter. Just take a lighter and go around the whole edge and just make sure that you remove anything that might be too sharp for a kid. Same thing on the bottom. You can also do it on your stovetop with a griddle probably and just swish it around until it gets soft. I've done that. So then we've got essentially our safe bottom and top that aren't too cut up. So at this point, it turns from upcycling into a craft project. So you can just simply fill it with dirt, as is. You fill the top with dirt, okay? Put your plant in your top, bury it in, and you're done. Or you can take one additional step here and turn this a little bit into a craft project with your kids. So you can give them the bottom, and they can decorate it with stickers. Send them away and give them some stickers, or they could paint it, whatever they would want to do, and then bring it back to you, and you can then put your plant into it. You can also use this to plant seeds. So from an education perspective, you can teach your kids about growing plants, plant your seedlings in them. Be sure to label them with a tongue depressor, or if you're doing seeds, I like to tape the seed packet on to my stick, so that so I can see what it is, so the kids can see as it's coming in. So that's where we're going to move into this craft part. So the other thing you can do, if you don't want to put stickers and paint and go through that, another easy and simple thing to do is what I have done with this one, is you can fill the bottom with marbles and then stick your plant back down in. You can fill the bottom with shells or rocks if you've collected rocks on your trips with your kids when you're walking through the neighborhood, or collected shells on the beach that aren't so pretty to use, or corks. You have a box of buttons that you never use that you got from your grandmother or whatever. Fill it with buttons. In my case, we've got, we collect the golf balls that end in our front yard. Dog plays with them, but that's another item that could go into your planter. So that is the simple project that you can do at home. Doesn't really cost anything except the cost of a plant. You probably have some sort of plastic container that you could use. You can buy a plant like this or seeds, and a nice project for you to do that day with your kids. I hope you enjoy and are able to get creative on your own. Thank you.